How to log in into Green Employee Portal. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can log in into Green Employee Portal. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now what you'll need to do is simply search for Green Employee Portal login in your web browser. After you search for that, there you'll find the sign on option. Simply open that up. So this is for your employee specifically. So make sure that you're on this site. There you can see welcome to Green Employee. Now type in your email address here. And after you type in your email address, you will need to type in your password after that. So let me just do this and hit sign in. Then you'll need to type in your password for your account and you'll get logged in into your account. And that's how simple it is. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.